DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo is what we're gonna review today, and we're gonna start by unboxing it. Here's the content. So the actual camera, storage case, the mini tripod, remote control, tripod mount, cable, wide lens, smartphone adapter for lightning, USB-C, all-in-one handle, wireless microphone transmitter, and some wrist strap. Okay, so this is the case. So in the box we have another box, cable, so we have USB-A to USB-Cs. In here we have the USB-C adapter, this controller, the lightning adapter, wide lens, microphone windscreen or dead cat. In the box as well there is the quick start guide, manual, and the DJI sticker. In the same way that Apple does the Apple logo with the actual Apple sticker. The stuff. Okay, let's see, what do we have here? Mini tripod. It's really interesting because you open it like that. It looks nice. The microphone. Turn it on, and this button is to pair it. You can pair it with this, the all-in-one thing. And as well in the box there is this tripod mount. So the dead cat will go on top of the microphone. Click, 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 and you can just hang it. Side. The tripod can be used in here or in here, and to be able to use this you just have to pull this out, the very bottom cap, which takes a bit of nails or screwdriver or something. They clicked in. It all like that. Yeah, everything. This is what we are all interested in, the all-in-one remote thing. It's in, clicks. It stays by itself. Have to slide it in. And now you can connect it to your iPhone. Yay, phone connected. Now you can see what the camera sees, and that's the rest of my desk. You can do the same thing for your Samsungs or Huawei's or other phones that connect via USB-C. Just put it in here, and there you go. Can now actually use this for zooming in. Let's zoom in on the lens. So on video only has 2 times zoom, and on photo has 4 times zoom. Tap on this, it will lock the tilt, PPV, follow, and all the other shit. So it's pretty good. It's a nice one. Inside this case you can store everything. You can store the wide lens here, okay, like that. It's magnetic, so it will hold it in place. In here, and the second one in here. So turn it off, make sure this button goes inwards. We're gonna turn it on by accident, and then this one gets up here on top. There you go. DJI Pocket 2 set up and stored properly.